Croda Pharma is a leading solutions provider within the pharmaceutical industry. The ingredients that we provide to our customers empower drug delivery, particularly for those who are using APIs that are either difficult to formulate with or are very sensitive to impurities and other things in the system. Quality is at the heart of what we do at Croda, from our commitment to our customers to the high purity and the consistency of the ingredients that we bring to the market. The core of the Croda Pharma business is providing high purity excipients, custom lipids, and vaccine adjuvants. There is a clear advantage to working with an innovator and a manufacturer like Croda. We are able to control the integrity of our products from start to finish. And with our customers working directly with us, we provide them access to the expertise that we have developed over the many years that we've been committed to the market.
With the integration of our vaccine adjuvant business and also our anti-polar lipids business, we've got a great suite of technologies that make us really well placed to deliver our ambition. And our ambition for the future is around empowering biologics delivery. We're going to do that with a focus on our 4 key platforms. So we've got adjuvant systems, small molecule, protein and nucleic acid delivery. It's our scientists who bring the innovation and also the impactful data that give us credibility in front of customers. That's what they really value. Going forward, we are really well positioned to enable the potential of next generation vaccines and other therapies. For example, gene therapy or mRNA technology. I can't think of a better example of advancement against our strategic direction than the role we played in terms of the development of the COVID-19 vaccines. It's a real example where, in a race against time, we scaled up and developed critical lipids and excipients across multiple COVID-19 vaccines. I think this really shows the important role we have moving forward to empower biologics delivery. Innovation, formulation, application. That's what we bring, and that's what adds value to our customers.
The strategy is all about innovating, and the way that we're going to innovate in delivering new biologics is to really work both on creating new chemical entities, but also all the data and the applications with those chemical entities. So we will work very closely with our customers to understand how their drugs are getting delivered, and we will help them to deliver those drugs in the most efficient way.
What I find the most rewarding is knowing that the work that we do here is going to have an impact on so many different applications in the pharma and biotech industries. At Croda Pharma, I have worked on supporting product launches and expanding our internal and external data portfolio to validate the performance of our excipients that we produce, which are used as solubilizers, drug delivery aids, bioprocessing aids, and adjuvants. Through the work that we do and the instrumentation we have in the cell and tissue culture facility here at Princeton, we are able to support customers by generating high quality data in these and similar applications to help our customers better understand how our high purity excipients, lipids, and adjuvants will improve their small and large molecule API formulations, nucleic acid formulations, and vaccine formulations.
We are investing heavily in our research and development teams and also increasing our manufacturing capabilities across the globe, which will help fulfill evolving customer needs quickly. Croda Pharma's strong innovation pipeline based on innovative science and customer-first approach is what makes us unique.
We have strong interpersonal relationships with a number of leading academics who value us for our portfolio that covers the whole spectrum of the pharmaceutical industry. We are a key ingredient supplier in this area and therefore an obvious candidate choice for any researcher actively studying in this field. Although our collaborators value us for our materials, we actually continue to support well beyond just our science, but really through our ability to work as a global team. We have a global network of scientists who routinely collaborate and work together supporting these kinds of projects. There are a number of serious global technical challenges regarding disease treatment and control, and in particular in the third world. Within Croda Pharma, we have a commitment to help develop suitable treatments, which our materials play a critical role in. We can provide expertise with our skilled scientists in helping people develop the appropriate formulations using the correct materials to develop the most effective treatments. We do not just passively supply materials, but we believe in active engagement.
Our new regional headquarters here in Princeton, New Jersey has been designed so that our commercial and technical teams across all businesses we operate in, consumer care, crop and pharmaceutical industries, work together under one roof and collaborate with customers effectively. We have worked very hard to ensure that the design of the facility maximizes the benefits for our employees, not just from a health and safety perspective, but also creating an environment where our employees can work together, resolve problems, refine each other's ideas, and together with customers create technical solutions to problems that improve consumers' and patients' lives. The design of the facility also furthers our planet and land positive sustainability strategies. For example, the facility itself uses electricity only from renewable sources. The growing electric vehicle charging infrastructure we've got on our site allows our employees to use the full benefit of those facilities, further lowering our carbon footprint. Some of the furniture and carpets that we have selected use polyester fabric that's made of recycled plastic bottles. And the technical facilities we have here on site allow us to continue to invest in sustainable innovation, which is the fundamental pillar of our business strategy. And finally, strategically located halfway between New York City and Philadelphia, we feel that Princeton, New Jersey is an ideal location for us due to our ability to tap into that talent pool on drug delivery and drug discovery that we need in our innovation processes.